Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night, ma'am. Ma'am Yani. Before we start, I'm gonna introduce myself. My name is Agil Rubiantiko. My name is 1525038. My class is 15 1B30, Prodi Informatica. Tonight I will explain about simple present tense in the PowerPoint. So let's get started. So I'm gonna introduce first. This is the introduction for the simple present tense. So the simple present tense it's used to express habit, general fact, or situation that happen right now. For example, I go to school every day, or the sun rise in the east. These are regular action or truth that never change. Okay, so let's go to number three. Function of simple present. There are several functions of the simple present tense. First, to express habitual action like she drinks coffee every morning. Second, to state fact or general truth. For example, water boil at 100 degrees Celsius. Third, for the scheduled events such as the train leave at 7 a.m. And finally, to show feeling or state like I like a music. Okay, that's the function of the simple present tense. Now we go to the slide number 4 is the formula. Let's look at the formula. For affirmative sentence, we use subject plus verb 1, and for he, she, it, we, we add s or is. For example, she play a football. For a negative sentence, we add do not or does not. Example, he does not like tea. For a question, we use do or does at the beginning. Example, do you study English? That's a very good formula for the simple present tense. Now we go to the slide number 5. Subject and verb agreement. We need to remember the subject and verb agreement. I, you, we, they use do and the best from of the verb. He, she, it use does and the verb with s or is. For example, I work every day, but he work every day. Work every day. Works. Uh, I work every day, and but he works work jadi ditambahin s di depan worksnya, di depan work gitu. Jadi works every day seperti itu. So lanjut, next is the slide number 6. Verb with s or is. When using he, she, or it, we often add s or is to the verb. For example, play become plays, go becomes goes, and study becomes studies. Be careful with verb ending in ye, we change ye to is. Like this, change ye to is, study to studies. Jadi dari y, misalkan kayak ada study, itu diganti jadi is. Jadi studies di simple present tense. Seperti itu. Lanjut ke yang nomor 7. Slide number 7. Example in the sentence. I read book every night. She watches TV on Sunday. You have a S right here and S right here. They go to school by bus. They go to school by bus. He used a day go to school by the bus. Okay. Now he studies, like study to studies, English at home. That's a for example to the simple present tense. Now go to the adverb of frequency. We often use adverb for frequency with the simple present, such as always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, or never. They show how often something happens. For example, I usually wake up early, or she is always happy. Something like that. So it's a common mistake that maybe selalu ini ya, selalu ada kesalahan gitu. Ini common mistake. Jadi cuman kesalahan-kesalahan yang biasanya terjadi gitu. Let's look at some common mistakes. Some people say he go to school every day. That's incorrect. The correct one is he goes to school every day. He goes. Jadi bukan pakai go, tapi ditambah es di belakang. Jadi goes. Uh, Also, she don't like apples. Should be she doesn't like apples. Jadi dia menggunakan doesn't. Jadi dia tidak hanya menggunakan don't, tapi dia menggunakan doesn't. Seperti itu. Ini penggunaan simple present tense yang baik dan benar dan bukan seperti ini. Ini sentence biasa harusnya saya juga kurang tahu, tapi she doesn't like apple. Ini yang benar. Lalu kita ke summary. Simple present tense. Let's summarize. The simple present tense is used to express habit, general truth, and routines. We use verb one and we add s or is for he, she, and it. Jadi simple present tense itu untuk mengekspresikan kayak kegiatan, terus juga kebenaran kayak general truth itu kayak kebenaran yang ada, kayak kenyataan yang sedang terjadi, dan rutin kayak rutinitas seperti itu. Dan dia menggunakan verb one, jadi kata kerja pertama yang digunainya. Lalu kita menambahkan s or is for he, she, it. Ya, itu. He, she, it. And now is the reference. That's all for my presentation. I use a reference from English Grammar and used by Raymond Marpy, the British Council, and Grammarly.com, and of course ChatGPT. Thank you for listening for this present tense to tonight. Thank you very much, Miani, for the time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.